In today's video, I will show you how to name a block in Qualtrics. First, open your browser, head over to the official Qualtrics website, and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on the home page, go ahead and click on the specific project you want to work on. As soon as your survey builder opens up, you will see the gray headers representing each block, with the current block name sitting right at the top left of that section. These blocks are super useful because they help you organize your survey questions into distinct pages or logic flows for your respondents. To change a name, simply click directly on the current title, delete the old text, and type in your new desired block name. If you decide to add a brand new block to your survey and want to change its default name as well, you just follow the exact same steps of clicking and typing. And that's it! That's how you name a block in Qualtrics.